Hi, I'm Nick Bonner for TreeStuff.com. I'm here in Premana, Italy in the village. It's an amazing place. We're at the headquarters of CAMP, and this is the Gyro Lanyard platform. There's a lot to unpack here, but this is really an amazing range. And it all kind of starts with the Gyro One Swivel system that CAMP released last year. This is a really easy to inspect swivel. There's a steel ball here held by these steel plates attached to the aluminum piece. And just a great swiveling system, very easy to inspect, nothing to be worried about. But they've taken it like 10 steps further by building it into what I think is the most exciting Prusik-based lanyard hardware since I've been a tree climber, the last 10 or 15 years, right? What's really unique is that the swiveling is outboard of the Prusik. And they did that by designing this proprietary Prusik anchoring system that securely anchors the Prusik with a tooled adjustable to the rope. This allows you to adjust and swivel, but still have that Prusik function. You also have even more degrees of articulation here in the pulley, and all of these pulleys feature a hollow axle. So if you want to use them in like an MRS system, you can simply click back here, and you can use this just like a small climbing system. Another really neat feature that the CAMP engineering team and certification team has built into this product, and I know that nobody watching this video has ever choked a carabiner around a limb before, because it's generally strictly not allowed. But CAMP, through their testing and certification, allows for this lanyard with the CAMP carabiner to be choked on a limb that is 16 centimeters or larger. That's bigger than my forearm for sure. That's about 6 inches, or if you think about 1.5 times the height of the carabiner, or about 2 times the height of the carabiner, that's totally going to be safe and allowed by the CAMP certification. This is going to make using this in SRS mode even more convenient. This is the Gyro One lanyard. It features the CAMP rope termination on the end of it, which is a piece of strength-bearing webbing that's been folded over this line here, and then use a full-strength bar tack. This creates a really slim machine-terminated eye, and it doesn't require bending the rope over to stitch it like you would normally see in an eye. Makes it lighter, makes it sleeker. If you ever want to put this through a ring or something like that, that's going to work much better. CAMP did not stop here. There are 2 other options in the Gyro Lanyard line. Here we have the Gyro Lanyard Twin, and this is really cool. Sometimes you feel like you want a second lanyard. Rarely do you need 2 lanyards to both be very long though, right? Because you have a climbing system. So your climbing system is your very long, but sometimes you want, a lanyard and then a third point of connection for whatever reason. CAMP gives you 2 options here. This is a twin system, so you can have these both clipped to one D-ring or around your back, clipped on either side. And they utilize a single piece of rope for this. And what this lets you do is you can have this lanyard pretty short and have this lanyard all the way out and use all that rope up without having to have twice this much rope on your harness at all times. So by sharing that rope between the 2 systems, you are able to have a wider variety of options while carrying less. This is the CAMP Gyro Double. Part of me thinks these guys just love making these amazing things, but this is so cool. Here we have mounted 2 CAMP Gyro single lanyards into a gyro rigging plate, gyro rigging plate, and this offers a degree of articulation here, as well as independent articulation of each of the lanyard systems. And again, we're seeing that shared rope. So this is going to give you a lot of the same options as the twin system, but a single central connection point if you want both systems on the same side of your body all the time. Whether you're looking for a simple swivel or a swiveling lanyard, I think the gyro platform, the gyro swivel that we talked about at the beginning here, is really kind of a transformative piece of hardware, and it's been built in to these incredibly slick lanyard systems. Personally, Gyro One is the one that I would choose to be using, but if you want more lanyards than that, there's a lot of options. That's the CAMP Gyro or Gyro Lanyard line, signing off here from Premana, Italy.
Hey, put it there, little buddy.
Yo, not a fan.
Thank you. Good job.